Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your trusted source for expert home and garden insights. Today, we delve into the art of crafting miniature aquatic havens, the small fish ponds and tips how to create a stunning small fish pond in your backyard. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. These serene additions can transform even the most modest outdoor space into a tranquil retreat. We'll explore the meaning, benefits, design principles, and essential elements of creating a successful small fish pond. Let's begin by understanding the essence of small fish pond design. It's more than just digging a hole and filling it with water. It's about creating a balanced ecosystem, a miniature world that fosters life and beauty. A well-designed small fish pond integrates seamlessly with its surroundings, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your property while providing a soothing focal point. It's a delicate balance of functionality and aesthetics, a place where nature and design intertwine. It's about creating a sense of peace and tranquility, a small escape from the everyday. Now, why opt for a small fish pond? The advantages are numerous. Firstly, they are ideal for limited spaces. Unlike large ponds, small fish ponds can fit comfortably in patios, balconies, or even small gardens. Secondly, they are easier and less expensive to maintain. Smaller volumes of water mean less cleaning and fewer resources required for upkeep. Thirdly, they offer a connection to nature. Observing the fish, the plants, and the delicate ecosystem within your pond can be incredibly calming and therapeutic. Finally, a well-designed fish pond can significantly enhance the value and curb appeal of your property. Creating a successful small fish pond requires careful planning and execution. First, consider the location. Choose a spot that receives partial sunlight, avoiding full shade or scorching sun. Next, determine the shape and size. A variety of shapes can work, from simple rectangular ponds to more organic, free-flowing designs. The size will depend on your available space and budget. Then, select a suitable liner. A durable, pond-grade liner is essential to prevent leaks. After lining the pond, add water and allow it to settle for a few days. Next, introduce aquatic plants. These are crucial for oxygenating the water and providing shelter for the fish. Finally, add your fish. Choose species that are appropriate for the size of your pond and the climate in your area. Remember to research their specific needs before introducing them to their new home. What are the best items for small fish pond design? The elements you choose to incorporate into your pond will significantly impact its overall look and functionality. Consider these essentials. First, pond liner. A high-quality, UV-resistant liner is the foundation of any pond. Second, pump and filter. These are vital for maintaining water quality and circulation. Third, aquatic plants. Oxygenating plants, floating plants, and marginal plants create a balanced ecosystem. Fourth, rocks and stones. These add visual interest and provide hiding places for fish. Fifth, water features. A small fountain or waterfall can enhance the aesthetic appeal and aerate the water. Sixth, lighting. Underwater lights or spotlights can create a magical ambience at night. Seventh, fish. Choose fish that are compatible with your pond size and climate. Eighth, fish food. Provide a balanced diet for your fish. Ninth, water treatments. Use appropriate treatments to maintain water quality. 10th, pond net. Protect your fish from predators with a fine mesh net. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, hear these: the compilation of the top 10 best small fish pond design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Container pond. Ideal for balconies or patios, using a large container or tub. 2. Tiered pond. Creates a dynamic visual effect with multiple levels of water. 3. Waterfall pond. Incorporates a small waterfall for added beauty and aeration. 4. Rock garden pond. Integrates the pond seamlessly into a rock garden landscape. 5. Koi pond, miniature version. A smaller version of a traditional koi pond, perfect for smaller spaces. 6. Japanese-inspired pond. Features clean lines, minimalist design, and carefully selected plants. 7. Natural swimming pond, small scale. A small, eco-friendly pond for swimming, if space allows. 8. Formal pond. A geometric pond with clean lines and symmetrical design. 9. Wildlife pond. Designed to attract a variety of wildlife, including frogs, insects, and birds. 10. Indoor pond. Brings the tranquility of water indoors with a small, self-contained pond. Creating a small fish pond is a rewarding project that can bring years of enjoyment. Remember to research the specific needs of the plants and fish you choose and maintain your pond regularly to ensure a healthy ecosystem. Thank you for joining us today on Homes Decor Designs. We hope this guide has inspired you to create your own miniature aquatic paradise. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home decor and design ideas. And now, we'd love to hear from you. Share your small fish pond design ideas or questions in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.